Somewhere in the last 2 years, you've quietly wondered whether your job will still exist in a decade, and nobody's giving you a straight answer. Most people and corporate employees swing between panic and reassurance, and neither is useful. Think about a restaurant kitchen. A dishwasher does one repetitive task. A head chef makes hundreds of judgment calls every hour, reading the room, adjusting on the fly, handling the unexpected. In this analogy, AI is the most powerful dishwasher ever built. The question isn't whether it'll wash dishes. It's how much of your work looks like dishes. This is the key aspect to consider when answering this question. So let's keep things clear and without fear. AI replaces tasks, not jobs, at least for now. Roles that are mostly structured, repetitive, and rule-based are genuinely at risk. Data entry, basic document processing, routine customer queries, predictable financial reporting. What AI can't do is navigate ambiguity, build real trust, or make a call when the situation has never happened before. The jobs that survive aren't necessarily the most senior or the most creative. They're the ones where the unpredictable moment is the whole point of the role. If you're wondering which specific skills will matter most in the next 3 years, we cover exactly that in the next video. Subscribe, and we'll see you there.